Not only must a huge sledge be pulled through the sea, but it must be fed with electrical power. Typical of such operations, the giant helicopter works with a Mark 166 magnetic influence sledge. Among other tasks, the sledge can detonate magnetic mines. Each arduous towing mission can last up to 4 hours. Tough, disciplined, and ready, Marines are airlifted by various kinds of helicopters. The biggest and most powerful are the twin-engine Sikorsky CH-53 Stallion and the triple-engine CH-53E Super Stallion. Both of these massive choppers can airlift 55 armed troops or bring in artillery, vehicles, ammunition, or engineering equipment needed during amphibious assaults. Alone among U.S. forces, the Marines use short takeoff vertical landing warplanes that can operate without the use of extensive airfields. Back in 1969, the Corps adopted the British Harrier as a versatile attack and fighter aircraft. Subsequently, British Aerospace and McDonnell Douglas collaborated to produce a new airplane, the vastly superior AV-8B Harrier II. A dream to fly, the Harrier II is new in almost every aspect and has replaced the AV-8A in Marine Corps service. It has a single-seat cockpit that owes much to the Hornet. Advanced electronic displays predominate. For ground attack, Harriers use the snake-eye retarded bomb. If necessary, the AV-8 can take off vertically, even from a small forest clearing. But once in the air, it flies and attacks at jet speed. External loads of weapons weigh up to 7,000 pounds for vertical takeoff or 17,000 pounds for a long rolling takeoff. Rolling takeoffs are also made from the flight decks of amphibious warships. For shipboard landings, no arrestor gear is needed. During the Falklands War, the British proved that jet-lift aircraft can fly combat missions when all other warplanes are grounded by bad weather. During the same conflict, Harriers, armed with Sidewinder air-to-air missiles and using the vectored thrust of their Pegasus engines, commanded a huge tactical advantage over their Argentine adversaries. The Harrier II introduces a new 25mm rapid-fire cannon. It is also capable of carrying a wide assortment of weapons and stores. Though the Harrier II is a truly impressive machine, plans are already afoot to produce a supersonic version of this remarkable aircraft. Overshadowed numerically by the Soviet Union, the diversity and above all quality of American air forces makes the United States the greatest single air power the world has ever seen. Future advances in design, weapons, and electronics are certain to keep her in that position well into the future.
Coming up, break through the brush and go on the hunt. From chilly Alaska to a sweltering Africa, watch out. High action and adventure continues on Wild Discovery. Coming up only on the Discovery Channel. Explore your world.